Innovation. Today's problems are becoming harder and harder to solve. The good side is that those problems connect us to each other more than we thought.
The nature of the problems that we're solving are complex and wicked, and they require an understanding of all the interrelated parts that affect that problem.
Especially for the problems that continue to change.
When we think about social innovation, it's really about how can we better address and solve dynamic problems, so problems that change very quickly.
We just cannot wait for ideas to come along. If we bring the right people, processes and tools together, then that can spark a lot of creativity and move us closer to solutions faster.
Innovation tools, methods, or mechanisms are helpful triggers to spark new thinking when making a better world for poor and vulnerable people.
Innovation tools are important for organizations because they allow your organization to be more deliberate, more explicit about their own objectives.
At the Rockefeller Foundation, we believe that tools should be available, affordable, and convenient for anyone that wants to design better and smarter solutions.
It's also important to invest in these tools because investment in a specific project yields a specific outcome at one point in time, whereas investment in tools builds capacity in organizations, which is like the gift that keeps on giving over time.
The most amazing characteristic about tools is that they are like clay. They can be adapted and transformed to fit any challenge or circumstance. Depending on how you use tools, you can get different results. Even if you are not an expert, tools can make it easier to find innovative solutions. For example, systems mapping is a tool that can be used to solve challenging problems.
All organizations can use these tools, and even better, they can use them together in a collaborative effort to really bring new insights to the table.
Maps can show us which parts of the system are strong or weak, where more resources are needed, and where different groups are or should be partnering.
To sort of get multiple perspectives, to look at both how they see sort of the dynamics and stakeholders within a particular sector or particular context today, and what are the connections and feedback loops between them.
It could also be used to make collaborating with new people easier, so we can arrive at solutions faster. Other tools, such as design thinking and social innovation labs, help to ensure that we are hearing the voices of the people we are trying to help and design accordingly to their needs.
So it's really important that we include the end users or the customers in the creation of the solutions, because at the end of the day, they're the ones that are going to use these solutions. They're the ones that are intended to benefit from it.
Tools can help us see the problems in a new way, see early signals of potential disasters, test new solutions, and surprise ourselves by revealing new insights that we wouldn't have ordinarily come about. Using different approaches, practices, or tools to work in new ways will help us catalyze innovation and improve the lives of people around the world. To learn more about innovation tools, visit www.rockefellerfoundation.org.